Hey there and welcome to this video about the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll be discussing what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, and why they have become such a hot topic in recent years. So, let's dive right in. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They are decentralized, meaning that they are not controlled by any government or financial institution, and transactions are recorded on a public ledger called a blockchain. The most well-known cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, but there are now thousands of different cryptocurrencies available. How do cryptocurrencies work? Cryptocurrencies work by using complex mathematical algorithms to verify and record transactions on the blockchain. Each transaction is verified by a network of computers around the world, which ensures that there is no central authority controlling the currency. Cryptocurrencies can be bought and sold on various online exchanges, and their value is determined by supply and demand. Why are cryptocurrencies so popular? Cryptocurrencies have become increasingly popular in recent years because they offer several advantages over traditional currencies. Firstly, they are decentralized, meaning that they are not controlled by any government or financial institution. This means that they are not subject to inflation or government intervention, which can be a concern with traditional currencies. Secondly, cryptocurrencies are very secure and difficult to counterfeit, which makes them attractive to investors and businesses. Finally, they offer fast and low-cost international transactions, which can be very beneficial for people who regularly transfer money across borders. Risks and challenges. While cryptocurrencies offer many advantages, they are not without risks and challenges. The value of cryptocurrencies can be very volatile, meaning that their value can change rapidly and unpredictably. This makes them a risky investment, and many people have lost money investing in cryptocurrencies. Additionally, cryptocurrencies have been associated with illegal activities, such as money laundering and tax evasion, which has led to increased scrutiny from governments and financial regulators.